This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Gina Hoover. Welcome home just in time for the holidays. Unwrap the potential in this fabulous Weatherford find. Featuring 3 spacious split bedrooms, this gem has a light and bright open floor plan, separate utility room, cathedral ceilings in secondary bedrooms, dual closets in master, and the view out back is breathtaking. Perfect for first-time home buyers or those looking to downsize. Located in a well-established neighborhood, full of mature trees and no neighbors behind. The multi-level backyard adds character and entertainment possibilities galore. Newer roof and some updated appliances completed. Let your creativity soar, personalizing your new home. Price to sell fast. Schedule today before this one gets away. For more information,